Welcome to Dunder Data Pandas Challenge number 5. These are daily exercises to challenge your Pandas skills. Take all of the challenges at python.dunderdata.com. As usual, we will use the first cell to read in our data set. So in this challenge, it says to return the top employee of each department by salary, and just return the department title and salary columns. Use kind equals merge sort if sorting. So we just want these three columns, department, title, and salary, but we want to return the employee that has the highest salary by their respective department. So there'll be one employee for the police department, one for other, one for Houston Public Works, and so forth. All right, so let's go into the body of our function. And the first thing we'll do is we'll just create a variable that contains all of the columns that we want. So department, title, and salary. And then we can actually answer this in 2 lines. So what we'll do here is actually we'll select the columns first using the square brackets like that. And then we will sort the data frame by salary. And by default, sorting is done from least to greatest. We want to change that using the ascending parameter. And we also want to use kind equal to merge sort. So this is a stable sort and explained in the previous solution. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. This should sort all of the data by salary from greatest to least and just return these 3 columns. Let's go ahead and execute that. This will help us look at the solution. So here is our current data frame that is returned. So it returns all the rows and just sorted from greatest to least. Okay, so that's not what we want. We want the single employee from each department. Now, there are a number of ways to do this problem. You might think about using a group by. That can work. But there's other. This is a different solution. Does not use a group by. It uses a sort. And then what we could do is, so this is a fairly clever solution, is use the drop duplicates method. So now that we have just these columns that we want, the drop duplicates method will drop every single duplicated row. And you might think, well, that's not going to help because we only want the rows that have the highest salary. Yes, it'll take out some of these that have the exact same salary, but the drop duplicates method allows us to drop based on a single column, and that single column will be department. So it will go through here one at a time, and whenever it finds a department or a row that it's already seen the same department, it will just drop it. So it's only considering the department column as its duplicates. And since there's a lot of stuff on this one line, let's go ahead and break it out into multiple lines. And so we will select the columns, then we'll do dot sort values, and then we will do dot drop duplicates like that. So let's go ahead and see what this returns. And it looks like it has worked. So it will only keep a single row for each unique department. And it'll be sorted from the highest to the lowest salary as well. And the row that is returned is that employee with the highest salary for that department. Now we can look at the solution over here, and they look correct. And then as usual, use the assert statement to check and verify that it is indeed the exact same data frame. All right, so that is our solution to Dunder Data Pandas Challenge number 5. If you enjoyed this challenge and would like to learn more, then come check out my books and courses at dunderdata.com. I provide a comprehensive path for mastering both Python and Pandas to produce trusted results. Below I have a few of my courses. Exercise Python will teach you the fundamentals of Python. Master Data Analysis with Python is an extremely comprehensive course that will teach you everything there is to know about using the Pandas library to do data analysis. And then my newest course is Build an Interactive Data Analytics Dashboard with Python, which is a really fun and exciting course and teaches you all the steps for launching your very own dashboard with Python.